Today's breakfast. Should be alright from the hotel. And you've got yourself pancakes. Are they good?
Yeah, they're nice. Where are we today?
Going kayaking.
At
Shingle Creek.
yes, Shingle Creek.
For fun.
Why not?
I'm gonna get eaten. Go on then, paddler. Smile.
I am smiling.
Yeah, turn around. I'm on a kayak in Florida. Uh-oh, alligator. Alligator. I see an alligator.
You
I do, it's right there. Don't get eaten. Don't get eaten. Don't get eaten. Don't get eaten. We're going down the creek today. We're gonna get eaten by an alligator. You shouldn't laugh, you shouldn't joke, because it could happen any minute now. Rock the boat.
Ollie, you promised. Ollie, you promised. I'm never doing this with you again if you don't stop this.
Rock the boat, rock the boat.
Ollie, you promised. You're breaking your word. Ollie, go on, please stop it.
Stop what?
It's not funny, Ollie, please. Stop it.
You alright?
No, go on, please stop it.
I won't.
You to stop.
I won't let you get eaten, I promise. I'm gonna get us this tortoise.
Yeah. Ollie, don't go in the trees, please. Ollie, please.
Hang on.
Ollie, please.
Stop moving.
I'm stuck, Ollie. Please stop.
Give me the camera. Look at that. So cool. Oh no. Hang on, we're fine. Stop paddling us out. Whoa. This is some real nature. Look at it, it's so cool. It's yellow.
He's going.
He's leaving. He doesn't want me. Go on, let's go.
Bye, Mr. Tortoise.
Goodbye, tortoise. Thank you for
Being visible. Where's he going?
thank you
Where's
for the
he going?
video. Hey, it is peaceful. I want to see another tortoise, alligator, or snake. Hello. Oh, it's a lovely day. Lovely day, lovely day, lovely day. Dragonfly just landed next to me. Oh, it's gone. Whoa, whoa. Right, it's getting narrow now. Gonna need some professional driving. Row, row, row the boat gently down the stream. If you see an alligator, don't forget to scream. Ah!
Whoa. Uh-oh, we're gonna crash. We're gonna crash.
We're going so fast.
Whoa, we crashed.
I had to slow us down.
Yeah.
Keep up the good work there. relaxing, easy paddle.
Are you not doing anything? I'm knackered. You can do some work then for a while, thank you. Off you go. We're gonna go and see the...
We're going back to the tortoise so we can see it.
What shall we call him? I think we should call him Ricardo, after our friend Ricardo. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, he is still there. Yeah, he's cool.
He is
You were the highlight of my visit,
He is the
Ricardo.
highlight of this journey.
Or maybe he wasn't on that.
Found another tortoise.
Or a turtle. I think he's a turtle, because he's got web feet.
Turtle, tortoise, same thing.
Oh look,
It's moving.
He's going and he doesn't like us.
Oh, get away. Your paddler. Did it? Go past it. Go and get it. Look at it from this side. Really quietly. Look at it. He's gone!
Oh my goodness. Where did
He's
he
jumped
go?
in the water.
What?
Thanks for putting me in.
Yeah, I got you to safety. I went in the water so you don't have to.
Oh. Good job.
Thank you.
I need a foot wash.
Me too.
Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Where are we? You've never been here before.
No. Old Town Kissimmee?
Yeah. This is where I was last year, last time. Huh?
Train's coming.
I know, I never saw this before. Look at this. There's a train. The Old Town Express.
What just happened?
We got sucked into the magic show.
It's only a $10
Yeah, it was quite good.
I love magic and I can't wait. We're going back in 10 minutes to watch the show. And yeah, $10 each, I thought that's pretty good.
Yeah,
And
it
apparently
really
it's
cool.
really good.
We're doing this. It's time.
It's time to be blown away with some magic. The magic show didn't do it last time, but today is the day to be blown away. Let's do it. Did you like the magic show?
Oh, it's just Carla.
Did you? What? What are you laughing at? What? Did you like it?
Yeah, it was good.
It was good, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It was worth $10 each. You don't think?
Yeah,
What?
I think it was worth the money,
Yeah.
but it just made me laugh so much.
Hey.
Like at parts.
Why?
It's just a bit awkward.
Why? So there's only 4 of us there.
Yeah, that's the reason. I think if there's more people, it would be fine.
Oh,
But no, it was worth the money. I thought it was a good price. That's like proper good ice cream.
Is it good?
That's really good.
Is it? Let's have a look.
Oh, I'd like have more of that later. It's so good.
You just said it was a rip-off, and now
It
you're
is a
saying
rip-off,
it's
but
really
it's
good.
really good. Try it. You'll know what I mean.
I need more.
Nope. Nope.
Go on, one bit more.
That's
It's not
so
bad.
nice, isn't it?
Right. It's like the size of my head.
It is. It's a big cup.
It's massive. Got a Budweiser. One an American. When in America, you have to have a Budweiser. Over and out. A little tiddly after that one.
Are you?
A little bit. It was a big beer.
It was quite big, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I'm alright. I'm all filled up on ice cream.
Yeah. Look. Want to see some car? I like this convertible. Oh, I like that blue one actually. That one.
Harry would like this.
Yeah, special mention to my buddy Harry. He loves cars. This one's for you, big boy. Ah. Look, but please don't touch. I love the salt and pepper. I want it. Or I could get these booby glasses. This shop is questionable. Wasted. Wash your nuts. Soap on a rope.
Almond fragrance.
I actually like it. It's in the shape of nuts. Come for dinner at the Logans Roadhouse. Never been before.
Nope.
And it has been recommended to me. So I, Oliver Cole, and Kaylee Cole, the new Kaylee Cole, who's really hot and sweaty, are gonna go for a Logans Roadhouse. We got some bread, and look at my beer. That is the most awesome beer I've had all
Really American
holiday.
here,
I
isn't
love
it?
it. I love it. So heavy. Oh, it's lovely. Mozzarella sticks. How are they?
I think Miller's Ale House is better, but they're really nice. I thought they were a very good price.
Yeah, $7.99. Help me. Our mozzarella sticks were lovely, but Kaylee thought these were mozzarella sticks.
I thought they were like different mozzarella sticks, but they just bring you out bread as well, which was really good.
They are not mozzarella sticks. My pulled pork,
Look
bacon,
at the jalapenos, they're like powdered. They
jalapeno,
look cool.
and cheese. Looks lovely.
I got a cheeseburger.
Oh,
Looks good.
yeah. So far, looking good. Love it. I am stuffed. Was it good? Better than Cheesecake Factory?
Yeah.
Yeah, mine was way better. And the bread. I'm so stuffed that I can't eat anymore. But bread is lovely. Mother, mother, mother. This is the one. This is the memory.
This is where it happened.
This is it. Let's recreate it.
Let's do
Let's do
history.
it. Mum,
History lesson.
how's your day going?
Well, we're going to Epcot, but your father's really getting on my nerves.
Why?
Don't show him this video, because he'll get queer, is that what she said?
Queer as anything.
Queer as anything. But he can be a bit of an asshole.